Anyway, today we receive our Google Mini Home. Inside the box, Google Mini, charging, the manual book. Now I show you how to set up Google Mini. You need to plug in this to PowerPoint.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Hey, can you play please Sam Smith song?
His songs include Too Good at Goodbyes, I'm Not the Only One, and 27 others.
Every time you speak with the Google Mini, you need to say, "Hey Google." So, and then basically Google Mini will recognize your request, like, "Hey Google, and you tell me how to cook fried rice."
Here's a summary from the website allrecipes.com. Directions.
Here
1.
you go.
In a saucepan, combine rice and water. Bring to a boil. 2. In a small saucepan, boil carrots in water about 3 to 5 minutes. And 3. Heat wok over high heat. To read more, look for the link in your Google Home app.
Hey Google, can you tell me the score of the cricket? The test cricket, please?
India is batting and has scored 40 for no loss in their third innings. In the first innings, they scored 250 all out, and Australia scored 235 all out. This is day 3. New Zealand beat Pakistan by 123 runs. The West Indies lost to Bangladesh by an innings and 184 runs. For other matches, try asking about a particular team.
Hey Google, thanks, you are so cool.
Not a problem.
With the Google Mini, you can ask a lot of things. For example, like you are lazy, you don't need to hold your phone all the time, and then you can ask recipe. Why you should buy a Google Mini? Because like basically you can talk with a Google Mini. You can ask Google many things but still limited, because basically Google Mini just like a robot. So also Google Mini, they can set up your alarm, can wake you up, can give you reminder, like basically same thing that you always type on Google, but you don't need to type, you just speak with the Google Mini basically. Look, I have an accent, like basically, I'm Asian and I have accent, and then Google Mini still recognize my voice. So yeah, Google Mini still understand what I say, basically. So that is pretty cool actually. So yeah, so it's not expensive, it's cheap, and then I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, hey Google, I think you are so cool.
It's a lot of pressure being this cool.
Anyway, so yeah, here you go. You don't have friend at home, you can chat with Google as well.